Can you believe we are already halfway through 2025? It is time to do your mid-year check-in and to tweak your content calendar for the remaining part of 2025 and start putting together some ideas for the first part of 2026. So step one, review what has worked. Go through the metrics on Meta, on TikTok, on LinkedIn. Look at your reach, engagement, clicks, and conversions if you're running ads. Identify top performing formats, meaning were the reels better performing than carousel post or a static post? Did your blogs get a lot of engagement? Really look at what posts did the best and then identify which posts did not do the best. And you also need to look at, were those posts boosted or were they all organic? Because that will play a role in the reach and clicks. What topics got the most shares, comments, and likes? And then also look at your insights on how well those posts did, but then also look at Google Analytics. Did you get traffic from those platforms to your website if that was the goal in your post? So that's number one on reviewing what's worked. Number two, reviewing what hasn't worked. So low reach engagement, review the visuals, what if you did maybe an animated image compared to just a static image, or a carousel post compared to a static image. Look at those posts that did not get enough engagement or low engagement. Did you have too much repetitive content? Maybe your audience just needs a fresh angle. So really identifying that low engagement, low interaction post, and then how can you adjust that for the remaining of the year? So then number three is, now that you've looked at what's worked and what's not worked, now you can identify, okay, these are the posts that I need to work on. These are the ones that I want to do more of. So then you can batch plan your content and think of what promotions do you want to run, what seasons, we have the holidays coming up, what are your goals for the next 6 months, and then including the first 3 months of 2026. You can repurpose content that did well in 2025, create new visuals, new videos for different blog posts, Pinterest images, add a variety of client stories, FAQs, industry news, how-tos, and really dive into giving your audience information that they find valuable that will increase your engagement. Maybe create a freebie. So if you need help creating your digital marketing strategy for 2025, let me know.